Mandala art is all with forms, with patterns, and the patterns are very repetitive. So, in order to get your patterns right, you have to have a basic grid on which you make this art so that each and every pattern that you're seeing on this painting is of the same size, of the same amount, number of lines must be approximately the same. That is the concept behind a mandala. Generally, you will see mandalas in all temples, all places of worship, whether it's a church, whether it's a mosque, whether it's a temple or a Buddhist monastery. The center portico will always have something like this kind of a formation. It can be 3D, it can be 4D, it can be a painting. Why? Because this is our source of energy, the energy point of a mandala. So the center of the mandala should always be very, very attractive. These are the supplies you will need for your class. You will need a ruler, a protractor, compass, pencil, eraser, a zero point 0.4 or 0.5 mm pen, preferably art line pens because they have a good flow and they are water resistant. When you're making such a beautiful piece, I'm sure you don't want it to get spoiled with time. So this is a good option to buy a pen like this and keep with you. And you can use sketch pens. We need purple or yellow color. You can use sketch pens, either regular sketch pens or brush sketch pens. Even that is good enough. So first we will make the grid. Draw a straight line 6 inches. A straight line 6 inches with your pencil. Mark the center point at 3 inch. Place it at the center point and make a circle. This is an 8 centimeter circle. Now we shift to centimeter measurements. This is an 8 centimeter circle. Make markings of 1 centimeter each. The center point of your 6-inch line, mark it as A. Keep your compass pin on A and your pencil point on the first dot 1 centimeter and make a circle. Keep making circles on every point that we have marked, keeping your compass pin at A. Compass pin will be at A and keep making all the circles. (90°), 75, 90, 75, 60, 60°, 45, 30, 15. (90, 75, 60, 45, 30, 15). Same thing on the other side. 75, 60, 45, 30, 15. Now we join point A to our 90-degree. Join point A to the 75-degree mark. Make a Now in the next segment, I want you to make broader use. Inside each U, make another. On the left side of each leaf, I'm giving diagonal stripes close to each other. Fill it up with a black sketch pen then. The circle, the area between the leaf and the circle. Let me do a little bit. See, and then you can do it. I'm just going to give an outline and leave it vacant with no design pattern. The next circle. Now you can erase the entire grid, the pencil mark. Make a broad petal in each leaf. Color and fill the center of the mandala. Fill this gap with purple color.